Opening option number 1 is to get to the point fast. If you are reporting to your senior management, the get to the point approach is best. Good morning. On behalf of the marketing team, thank you for the opportunity to present our third quarter results and recommendations. Or, the recommendation of the entire team at Pacific Agenda is to hire our recommended speech coach, Patricia Fripp, to help design your keynote speeches. You can leave the rest of the planning and production to us. Or, a get-to-the-point opening for a sales presentation might be, "Congratulations," then mention what they are proud of and say, "You have an important decision to make." Or, a get-to-the-point approach if you have to sell the value of the speech is, "Welcome. You are in for a treat. There's never been a more perfect time to learn how to increase your presentation skills. Think how your career will be positively impacted when you can stand up in front of any group of any size and be powerfully persuasive and professional sounding." You've been doing so well. Here's another question. For a report to senior management, your best opening approach is to